Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you might be in the world. I'd like to introduce myself today. My name is Lamonte Doshay Speaks. Yes, DOS is the language the computer speaks. I'm a San Diego native, and I'm a man in the world that uses quantum physics. I guess you might be asking yourself, how in the world could I be using quantum physics? And I'm going to answer that question real briefly, as best I can. It all started when I was 11 or 12 years old, and I was looking for snakes with a friend of mine, Leonard Johnson, and I stumbled across some lights that were spinning on the ground, the colors of the rainbow. The next event that took place in my life was I saw on television the next day about there were being computers, and that stuck in my brain. That lit up my brain like nothing else. The thought that a computer could think like a person. As the years had gone by, I noticed that I was making lots of things take place, things that I wanted, things that I thought. I pay attention to little detail of things, and I noticed that I was sincerely and truly making things happen. By age 16, I took my first computer programming course at Patrick Henry High School. I looked at the computer and I said, one day I'm going to build myself a computer, my own system, build a system, and I'm going to name the language DOS, since my last name is Speaks. That was at 16. At 20 years old, I had made so many things happen. I aimed my energy as I was speaking to my girlfriend, Tina Gomez, and I said, I'll build a computer designed like my brain. Later on that evening, I got home, and I said to myself, I'll find a man in the world to help me build it, while aiming this energy, this magic, I thought it was, not an energy. I didn't know it was quantum physics. Then I said, use the Raiders drive, and I'll put LDSID while holding my ID in my hand. I'll put LDSID in the system as the lightweight directory system. Now, in 1995, I noticed the language was DOS in the computer, Windows, in the Windows system. But I still hadn't really, it wasn't enough for me to really be absolutely sure. DOS being the language, LDSID I spotted. And then I noticed several pages that Bill had put in of quantum physics. And Bill, if you're listening, listen real careful. The quantum physics is what struck my eye. I noticed quantum physics written over and over and over on several pages. One day I was reloading Windows XP, and something caught my eye. As you can see the letters and words rolling across the screen when you reload a system. I saw Q, LA, and I saw 1, 2. So I took the disk out and I reloaded it, and I saw QLA 12160. And I found out it was the logic adapter. Well, QLA stands for Quantum Lamont, and that is my date of birth. Just like DOS was named QDOS when Tim Patterson rewrote it from Gary Kildall's having written a language for a computer. And I believe it was CP/M which could have been computer/man, because in 1980 on New Year's Day is when I said I'd build a computer designed like my brain. Over the years I've been working on the computer, and if you saw the windows on my house and the device in the ceiling of my house, which I will show video and pictures on YouTube here of exactly what has taken place over the years. Thank you for your time, and please feel free to leave comments. If you'd like to reach me or write back to me and have me write back to you, you can reach me at mslogic88@gmail.com. Thank you, and you have a good day.